Welcome to my Creatives Corner. We're going to get right into this. Go up and select your Canva app. And now we're going to go up and select animated social media. Let's see, straight up at the top. All right, once that open and a box will open up to your template, but we're not using that today. Go to your top and select the color wheel button you see right there. Okay, I am going to select purplish pink. Now that that's done, we're going to go to the side and click on your apps button and scroll down the page and click on Giphy. You know the one I've been showing you guys about? Yes. All right, now you see all of these wonderful GIFs, you guys. I'm feeling like a kid in a candy store. You guys should be jumping for joy because when you look inside this little database, it has millions and millions upon different designs and quotes and memes and all types of things that you can use inside your design. So this right here is just a simple tutorial for, easy beginners. You know what I'm saying? This is for you guys. So please, please, please jump on this idea. This is so easy. It's simple. All you have to do is select one and just put it in your little, design and keep going. Add some words. That's what we're going to do here. We're going to add our own wording. Okay. Let's see. How about working on something for the weekend? Make it all nice and spunky and fun. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. We're going to work on something pretty interesting here. And, party popping. You don't want that. You want your weekend to look good, right? So that's what we're going to do. This looks like a good one. All right, we're going to go to your side and click on your app, scroll through it, and we're going to look for Font Studio. Now, you guys remember I did 3 different types of artworks with this one, but this is just one of them. Or we have a second one called Font Frame. Now, this one right here is real interesting because you can add your own picture to it. So you'll have the control to do what you want, okay? But let's see, we have another one. It's called Text Maker. Now this one here is my favorite because it has so many things. Now I'm not too sure who made this app, but let me tell you, this right here is amazing. I mean, if you're in some type of business of creating parties or any type of get together, weddings or all types of whatnot, this right here app is your go-to, okay? Hands down, it has everything at your fingertips. Now, let me see what I was doing here. Get back to what I was doing. Yeah, I think I'm going to straighten this out a bit. As you can see, I'm working with it's Friday, but yeah, let's redo this one right here. As you can see, you can go back and delete it and redo it just like that. There's nothing wrong with that. People make mistakes. So let's see here. Yeah. All right, now we're going to straighten it up a bit. Stretch it. I hope y'all paying good attention to this because, hey, I'm trying to put y'all on some game. Please pay attention and do exactly what I'm doing, okay? Now we are repeating these steps for the bottom half. Let's see here. This is amazing. Make sure everything is right in the dead center, you guys. Make sure you get it right because you don't want your picture looking all swap-sided and all that good stuff. So, yeah. This is amazing. Do y'all like my music? All right, I made it. Making sure everything is looking good. Let's see. And then we're going to go up at the top and make a few duplicates because we want this to be 20 seconds at least, because that's how you make a GIF. So anyways, let's see. Let's test it out to make sure everything is looking good. What y'all think? I am pretty satisfied. Okay, now it's time to save your work. Go up at the very top right-hand corner. Tab will pull down and you scroll and save it as your GIF. Now, this is the most important part. All right, now that you saved your file, you're going to get ready to upload it to your Facebook or other platforms that take GIFs, okay? There are others out there that not only Facebook, but you can do it under Giphy or any other platform that you're using, okay? All right. Now, if you made it this far, I really appreciate you guys' love and support. You don't know how much it means to me. I really, really appreciate it. If you have time, please follow my YouTube and other platforms under Fabrijan and Smacker Graphics, okay? Bye!